Fun, I guess.
Good
Yeah.
luck. Come on, maneuver. Maneuver. Hello there.
Yeah, is what it is. Actually, I can get out of here actually, but
You
Wendy
can.
can't.
Yes, go.
Activate. Yep. Okay, I move 3. But Wendy is here. Okay. I'll maneuver.
Okay.
Maneuver.
Let's see.
Okay.
Okay, 1 on Wendy.
Actually, I want to zone. Yeah,
Okay.
recency. Okay, 1 on Wendy.
Okay. Let's see. Wily. Annoying Wily. I'll maneuver. Medusa will attack
Wendy.
Wendy.
I mean, whatever.
Go ahead.
Like, okay. Sure. I'll activate the thing.
Sure.
I mean, that's okay with me.
That's alright.
I mean, I didn't get to activate the upgrade, but you have 1 less paint.
I actually need my paints now that I think about it.
You have to dash now, boy.
Whoops.
Maneuver.
What a blunder.
You chill, you just stay here for a bit. I think we're going in. I think I might just be able to. I don't know. That's not. It's Medusa. Let's not underestimate Medusa.
Don't underestimate Medusa.
I'll attack Medusa.
I'm thinking. This is probably D-Day. There's a high chance it's a D-Day. You know what? Sure. Oh. Immediately, so I would take 1 probably. Yep.
I mean, yep. I can't do anything about that. Not probably, guaranteed. So the question is what I discard. Oh, my hand's pretty good though. And it does help that everything's nearly like a tree off. And that's pretty consistent.
Very, very consistent. But you also have a lot of Wendy cards, so
Just keep her alive.
yeah, you need to keep her alive.
Yeah, okay. After I attack, I'll draw 1. I'm going to draw 1 after. But
Sure.
wait, discard. Let's discard this, I guess.
Okay.
I don't think it's a good card though. I'll draw 1.
It's alright, it's good for damage.
You go.
Usually use this for damage. This is a 6.
Oh yeah,
This
actually.
could be a 6.
Okay.
Okay. You drew?
Yeah, I drew. I'll take 1.
Okay. Take 1. No, they're gonna be ranged next turn. Thinking. Attacking.
Sure. Cancelled.
Okay. I will maneuver. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You're ranged. 1, 2. Go ahead.
Separate. Okay.
Can't reach Medusa.
Unless I boost. But I don't think it's worth it.
Yeah, you wouldn't boost with 5 cards in hand.
I'll activate.
Nah. Yes.
Maneuver.
Okay.
I'll attack this harpy. This one,
Which
the orange one.
corner. Pending. It's still dead.
I'll discard one first.
Okay.
This one.
Okay. Oh, loose lips. Good for me. It's actually really good.
This,
Oh wait, no. In this matchup, not so much.
I'll draw one, even if it means I'm entering the Face Medusa gameplay.
Yeah.
Okay, you go.
Alright, no more upgrades. Ha ha ha. Deactivate everything.
Yeah.
So no cancel. Cell maneuver. And your melee.
Yeah.
I will attack Rosie.
I'll take 4. Oh, I should have taken that. So sad.
Draw one. Go ahead.
8. I'll maneuver.
Yeah.
Yeah, this harpy can go anywhere.
Yep.
I'll maneuver again though. It's okay.
Alright.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like I'm playing this guy character properly, but it's learning.
Alright,
Okay.
I'll maneuver. Da-da-da. Wait. 1, 2, 3. 3. This is the range. This is the Medusa center. One, two. It doesn't really matter, I think. Harpy attacks. Rosie.
This sucks. This sucks so much.
Rosie's defensive package is really bad.
Yeah, it's pretty hard to aggress Medusa too.
Yep.
Yes, first. Let's take it.
Oh shit!
Good.
I need to discard one.
That turned out perfectly. That's how bad the situation is, by the way.
Let me think. Oh crap!
You got too greedy there, bro.
Yeah, I know. Crap. Let me think. Crap. I guess I'm letting go of one snipe.
You can't even discard the group anymore.
Should have attacked with the snipe.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay.
Damn.
There.
That's sucks.
Okay, now what? um, Rosie attacks this harpy.
Defending. Okay, dead.
Let's just discard this arc welding. It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not gonna draw. I'll maneuver.
Okay.
Okay, where do I go? I don't really care about forcing adjacency because we're both gonna be ranged next turn.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, this when this the thing though.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Maneuver. You're move 3 range. We're both move 3 range. Heroes. You have 5 cards. But we have a cancel.
Yeah, at least now you're not attacking with regroup. Those were really annoying.
Let's see. Let me think. Let me just quickly check
Go ahead, go
your
ahead.
cards.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's see. Still not familiar with your cards. Let's see what you have. Loose tips, cancel, full metal, haste
Yeah, it feels a lot better when I have a lot of upgrades. The annoying part though is that I can't really deactivate upgrades without windy stuff, right?
Yeah.
So if I don't have those, I'm just the ebb and flow is annoying.
Rosie.
Yeah.
Yeah. You really have to time your stuff.
Yeah, but like you can't really time your stuff. It's like you're gonna get upgrades no matter what. And then if you can't deactivate them, they're all going to deactivate.
Yeah.
So if you're unlucky, you
Which
can't find
is-
deactivates. You just have to deal with it.
Yes. Yeah.
I'll faint that though. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Sneaky
Go
boy. I'll attack. Rosie attacks.
Rosie attacks. Dash. So that's 1 damage.
Yeah.
And
Can't really use the
2
free action.
damage total. 1, 2, 3.
Not heal one. That means I can't use a free action to attack, no?
Yes.
Doesn't save. It's annoying. Because I can maneuver attack.
You can't anymore.
Okay, so I don't want to draw, I think. Or do I?
You're actually up in deck.
Yeah. But that's not really.
Because of
You
that
have 4
stupid
passes.
regroup.
But okay.
But yeah, not really. I still have
Yeah.
like a bunch of passes.
I'll draw one. I'll maneuver.
Okay.
Annoying. So hard to position against you.
I guess we do.
Yeah, even if I go here, then have Wendy here.
I can reach
go here.
anywhere. From
Like,
here.
can I block?
you
I can.
block, yeah.
If I block, go here, this way.
Yeah.
And Wendy's so important though, but it's all up to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Maneuver.
Yeah, I haven't had any deactivating still. That's why I still 1, 2, 3, 4.
I don't really like my hand. It sucks. Thinking.
Good.
I still want to get rid of Wendy. At this point, you already used up 2. You still have what? The EOR. Oh, that's pass. And the draw 2. I think I can survive that. Let me think. Yeah, sure. Attacking Wendy.
Okay.
No boost.
I'll activate the machine.
Sure.
Yeah. And then start of turn, I get 1.
Go ahead.
Maneuver. Hmm. Just have Wendy as a proxy. Where the hell are the Wendy cards?
You already
Uh,
used up your Wendy cards.
Oh, I guess these ones are Wendy cards, but the schemes. Oh, is there? How many schemes are there? It's just 1?
4.
Yeah, just 4. Yeah. Okay, I'm not seeing them. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, I'm not arranged yet. Later.
Huh.
No. Okay. I'll maneuver again.
Yeah, you can always wait for your +1 attack.
Go ahead.
I'll maneuver. Wait, doesn't matter. Maneuver. Go ahead. Your turn.
Thing. Maneuver.
Okay.
Yeah, zone cutoff. Cool. Yeah, I'll boost.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll attack.
Thinking.
Okay.
That's a 3. Ouch. Nice. Oh wait, 1, 2. What do I want to go? 1, 2, 3.
I'll draw
Oh,
1.
but this is your last action, right?
Yeah. Where do you go first? I can decide after if I
Let me
want to
think.
draw.
Let me think. Let me think. Since this is your
No.
last, yeah, I'll just stay.
I'll draw 1. Go ahead.
Okay. Attack.
Okay.
Radio.
Okay.
Damage. Draw. Uh, um,
You drew the card, right?
yes.
Yeah, okay.
I'll maneuver.
Okay, losing the dash is pretty cool. I have this.
Go ahead.
No, actually, think first.
Yes.
Maneuver.
Sort of 2 D-days and an overrun. Damn.
Yeah, Rosie attacks.
This is gonna hurt. Or maybe not. Let me think. This is probably highly likely is the D-day. Take 2.
Okay. Sad. Very sad. But yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll take 1.
Yep.
Okay.
Uh-huh. No more upgrades.
Let
Yeah.
me think if I'll draw first.
Oh,
No,
sure.
I won't draw.
Okay, my turn. Frenzy.
Okay.
Move to the move first, and then
Damn, so
summon in
sad.
zone.
Maybe I shouldn't have, but
Um,
I guess I should have waited. Ugh,
I'm
power of
staying.
hindsight. So sad.
Harpy attacks.
Wouldn't be a 4. Can't really do anything about it though.
Discard.
Okay, I think this is important though. Okay. Weirdly. It's E award.
Alright, go ahead.
Oh, this is actually a pass.
It is.
Put that back. Do I just trying to? No, I don't think I'm trying to fatigue you. There's no way, Yeah, let's get rid of that. But that, yeah, it's okay. Okay,
Go ahead.
I'll get she upgrade. Okay, I'll maneuver.
Okay.
Let's just do it now. Sure.
Okay.
I think this is kind of falling apart the game.
Alright.
I'll attack Medusa.
Thank you. 3 cards. Might be an overhand. It might be another D-Day. If it's a D-Day, you'll get a free action. Ah. Okay. Okay. 1.
Okay.
Okay.
You go.
Alright. I'll maneuver. We're not ranged yet, so this is fine. I'll maneuver again. 2, 1. Yep, go ahead.
Upgrade. Maneuver.
Mhm.
Yeah, kind of near. Boost with this attack with mental shift. 2 damage guaranteed. Not enough though. I'll maneuver again.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, you're going for that extra damage. 6 cards. I'll maneuver.
Yeah, rage center.
I will maneuver again. Go ahead. Oh, wait, sorry.
Okay, yeah.
I'll transfer.
I'm honestly surprised I've gotten this far. Okay.
Go.
I'll do I maneuver? I'll maneuver.
Okay.
Definitely has faint. Boost with this. E award. Boosting.
Okay.
E award. Get rid of Whizbang.
Okay, nice.
Wait, doesn't make sense.
Wait,
I have to attack
no.
you. Yeah.
You have to attack.
I don't know, yeah, okay. So that Oof. Okay, that was smarter in my mind. I
Yeah,
have to do
think of
one of these.
Yeah,
Hmm. Well, I maneuvered already.
sure. Maneuver boost with something else,
Yeah.
maybe.
Or I could just go attack you, I guess.
Yeah, just go here.
Then I'll be
Just take the one
zero.
damage.
No, I'll be at it's hard.
You always take the one damage.
Not much point. Not much point in delaying now, right? I have to YOLO it.
Yeah.
So let's just go here,
Yeah.
I guess. And then I'll just die next turn, most likely. You feint this, and then you're chilling. Attack Medusa.
Yeah, it's always a feint. Should always be a feint.
Yeah.
Take two.
I'll take one, then I'm
Take one.
Okay.
Upgrades, no. Nothing, nothing. This is dead, dead. You only have 1, 2, 3. You have 3.
Yeah.
Thinking. I don't like my hand. Hold on.
You get to feint all of my D-days. Oh, you dashed out one of them.
Yeah. Dash. Painted 2, dash 1.
Yeah, okay.
Thinking. Let me think. Think. Yeah, I'm attacking. Rosie.
Is this rough? Is this a bait or... I have to use my defenses sparingly.
Yeah, you have. Well, this couldn't be a bit. It's all threes and reds.
Yeah. I mean, you probably don't use dash. I mean,
Yeah.
you could now. I don't have any more DTs, so safe.
It's safe, yeah. That's true.
Okay.
But I only have 3 defensive left.
Yeah. Sure.
So it's highly likely a red. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Second action.
Yeah, it's kind of weird that I have so many one value defenses. Uh, I think it's another case.
Yes.
Yeah.
Has to be. I'm just trying to get rid of your
Yeah.
5s. And this is almost an auto damage.
Yep.
Ooh.
Okay. Berlin engine. Maneuver. Maneuver. Good.
Maneuver. You're gonna get the draw, so no. 1, 2. Maneuver again. 1, 2, 3. Go. Activate move 3, but you're not range.
Yeah. Just double maneuver here. I can't really one-shot you.
Yeah.
Though I could make this 1 plus 4 plus I can make a 6 value attack. That's not enough. But damn, it's really close though.
Rosie does enough damage. It's just that I was able to avoid all of your D-days.
Yeah. Damn, it's really close.
Yeah.
Disappointing. Because like if this was like a wash, it was like, oh well, that's what it is. But that I got this close kind of makes it
Yeah, I know.
sad.
Rosie does have enough damage. Rosie has actually when I calculated, I think Rosie has like could do like around 20 damage per fight, 20ish. Medusa was 16. Oh wait, but you used a lot of your attacks on my harpies.
I mean, I killed 2 with overrun. With 1. And then I use we can do it on the other. No, I don't think I only spent 2 cards.
Yeah, that's really good. Good value.
Okay, so what now? Full metal, it'll be a 6 next turn. You defend with distance slither. Sorry, did I maneuver? Yeah, I maneuvered already.
You did.
Yeah.
Wait. No.
Not yet.
No, not
Okay,
yet.
okay.
Not. Because I was expecting you to use this and then attack the harpy.
Okay.
So that's why.
I'll maneuver first.
Actually, I'm not so sure anymore. Well,
Let's just hope it's fine. It's okay. It's a practice game. Man, if I just need just a bit more damage.
yeah. You still have double 6s.
Yeah.
Wait, no, you'll have 1/6.
Yeah.
1/6, and then I mean you can attack with an overrun this turn.
Yeah, I can go to this harpy overrun.
And then a 6 on the next turn. That's
Yeah.
1 plus 2, 3, just 3. Wouldn't be enough.
I'll attack this harpy.
Actually, I still have. Just the harpy. So this
I may have to boost to get the Medusa, right? I guess maybe that's worth it. But you'll play dash. Yeah, you'll play dash, I think.
If I have dash, yeah.
Yeah.
But if you attack the harpy, that's
you might defend with a 4, but I don't care about the harpy surviving anymore.
Yeah, so this might actually be a loose lips. So I'll just take it. 1, 2, 3. 1 on Medusa.
Yeah, it's worth it. Necessary. Okay.
Alright. So now you have loose lips.
Yeah, I have perfect hand knowledge.
Full metal. Oh yeah, thanks. Yeah, 2 full metals, loose lips, and this. I mean, you can actually use this.
Okay.
Now. Yeah.
Technically, I still have a pass, and you're 4 HP, so
Yeah.
it gets weird, but you do have to 3 more passes actually. Never mind.
Yeah. 3 def. 3 defense is your highest. I'll attack you.
Yeah, sure. Good. Do the thing first. Okay.
0, but I can boost.
Yeah.
Huh. Do I need my pass? I don't need my pass anymore, I think. Yeah, I'll just.
No, just take 2.
4.
Oh,
sorry. 2.
Yeah.
2.
Okay.
And then second action, I will. I'll just force it to boost, I guess. Let me think. Or not? Let me think. You'll boost. Oh no. I can force it to boost, right? Go.
Yeah. Upgrade. We defend with a 4. I have to deal 8 damage. I think what's happening. Even if you defend with a 3, doesn't matter.
Yep.
Come on, Wendy, do something. I mean, she's still alive. I'll boost. Whatever. I'll just make it close. 1, 2, 1,
sure.
2, 3. Rapid development, sure. I'll take 4.
Oh, and you take.
I'll take 4.
You also take 2 from the maneuver.
Oh, sure. But yeah, I'm still alive.
Last turn.
Yeah.
That's a 6. Take 2. Yeah, it's. I think Rosie can.
Yeah.
Rosie can.
Interesting matchup, right?
Has a chance. Rosie has a chance. I think.
Interesting. And then I'll post this video and everyone will know.
Or maybe I just suck at Medusa.
Maybe one or the other.
Maybe I'm just really bad at playing Medusa.
Maybe I'm just goated
It's-
at Rosie. Oh, one of the
That too.
3 possibilities.
Or all. Ugh.
Interesting game.
Yeah.
Like for some reason, like I was up HP for a long time.
For a lot.
And you had a
and you were able to bring me down to 2.
yeah, and you had a lot of positive interactions.
Yes.
Like I would have really loved if I D-Dayed and you defended with the Hidden Slither instead.
Yeah.
Like I would prefer that because I can still draw with Cavity Magnetron, so
Yeah.
you can't really slow me down if even though my deck dies, but you
Yeah.
can't slow me down in that way.
You never actually had the chance to even play mind games with D-Day.
Yeah, I don't know. There's like the temptation. Maybe it's like too predictable if I try to play it with full upgrades, but so strong at full upgrades though.
Yeah, that extra damage.
It's
is
basically
so
like
good.
+2. Like I think
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh well.
And yeah, because you weren't able to play mind games with D-Day.
Yeah.
I could just use my dash and feints very
Yeah.
safely.
I think yeah, I should have attacked with something else, but it's like the temptations, right?
Yeah.
Like just go. Like imagine if you didn't have any of those disengages, you defend with a 4. Just still a pretty good defense for Medusa. But I'm okay with
Yeah.
I'll just keep going. But
Yeah.
well, not to be.
Maybe with 3 upgrades, D-Day is already good. Maybe. I'm not so
I think-
sure. Just to avoid the feints and dashes.
No, like you don't really need to play this at. I think it's better to play this either at full upgrades or like
Full
0
Or
upgrades.
none. That's
Yeah.
true. That's true.
Otherwise, technically you're missing value otherwise, but it's what it is, I guess. I don't
Yeah.
know.
That's true.
Oh well.
Still damage.
Yeah. If you'd like to support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee or my Pixel by ePlayment pages down below. And if you like the content you just saw, make sure to check out the other videos on my channel. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.